How to reset your Facebook password using WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Facebook on your device. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on settings. Now go to account center. Now tap on password and security. Now simply tap on change password. Now tap on Facebook. Now simply tap on forgot your password. Now select send code via WhatsApp. Now tap on continue. Now open up your WhatsApp on your device. Now open up Facebook, copy the code, go back to Facebook application. Now paste the code here. Now tap on continue. Now create a new password and tap on next to save it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.